Ladies and gentlemen, hello, all of you are welcome. I made a video about the kitchen system in the 5-star hotel and the machines used in these kitchens. The hotel kitchens have impeccable dishes and have to be the perfect system to make these dishes. This hotel has 3 separate kitchens: main kitchen, breakfast cuisine, fast food, and a la carte restaurant cuisine. In this video I will show you only 2 cuisines. This is the biggest kitchen in the hotel, the main kitchen. This section is the hot part of the main kitchen. Soups, intermediate hot dishes, main courses are made in this kitchen. Large electric deep fryer. Works with 20 liters of frying oil and has fast or slow frying settings. Cookers in this place are used to cook in large pots. This plate is grilled. It worked with gas. It is cooked on the grill with meat and chicken. Small pots and pans are used here. Flour and spices are all here ready to be used. 10 tray material can be baked at the same time in large industrial ovens. This is the boiling water machine you see. This boiler works with gas. 100 liters of water is added into it, and this boiling water is ready to be used. Water is filled from the top, and you can take your boiling water from the bottom top. It is what you see in imperial pot, actually made to make rice. All kinds of materials can be cooked in. Hot dining cabinet. You can wait for your meals prepared in these cupboards within 80 to 90 degrees. Cold cabinet for hot cuisine. Cold room shaped fridge. Cellar section of the hot kitchen. Here we have pulse products, oils, tomato paste, pasta sauces, and spices. Cold kitchen section and main kitchen. In this kitchen are made cold appetizers, coaches, or prepared salads. Onion chopping machine. Knife cabinet. Cold kitchen fryer and cooker system slightly smaller than the others. Cold kitchen cabinet. As you can see, these are ingredients that can be used to make cold appetizers. Varieties of frozen vegetables in deep freezers are varieties of bread. Burek cabinet. These are called the hedgehog. The ready-to-serve dessert plates are carried with the help of these hedgehogs. One hedgehog can carry 100 plates. This is the butcher shop. Meat products are prepared here. Industrial meat grinder. Bone cutting machine. These things are only used for hand washing. Automatic. Cold cabinets in the butcher section. This is a cold cupboard plus 5 degrees resting cupboard. Ready to use meat stored here. -15 closets with a cooler cabinet inside, where the meat and ingredients to be used later are stored frozen. +5 and -15. This is the chef's office in the main kitchen. Key cabinet. Staff refectory. 80 staff are working and preparing different meals every day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Dishwashing area in the main kitchen. All pots, pans, trays, steel and aluminum are here. Vegetable section in main kitchen. Green salads are prepared here. Vegetable chopping machine knives. Vegetable chopping machine. This machine can easily chop vegetables in various ways. Long thin potato. Chopping small carrots and green zucchini. This sink is only for washing vegetables. Large vegetables and fruit cabinet. This is the pastry section in the main kitchen. Sweets, cakes, cookies, varieties are prepared here. Trileche sweet recipe you can watch from my channel. That sweet was made here. Stone furnaces. Dough kneading and whipping machine. Let me show you how it works. Cold cabinet of pastry section. -15 cabinet. The cellar section of pastry section. This is the a la carte kitchen in the restaurant. Meals are prepared and served on orders from here. Cellar section of the a la carte kitchen. Types of meat and fish in the grill menu are kept in cold cupboard with this drawer. A la carte kitchen, big cold cabinet. Prepared products and products to be prepared are all available here. This is how the kitchen system works in 5-star hotels. You haven't seen breakfast cuisine and fast food cuisine yet. They are only half of the kitchen system. You can help recipes to see and reach more by liking videos. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks to everyone who supported me in this matter. We have come to the end of a detailed video description for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. Goodbye, again for a new recipe video.